Hello guys! Good morning! So, andito po tayo sa isang istraha. Ito ang tinatawag na istraha or like a recreational vacation townhouse. Ganyan po siya dito. Uso po dito sa Saudi Arabia yung ganito. Kung may occasions kayo, this is where you're going to celebrate your mga occasion events, pwede dito. So, may salamin po dyan. There you go. Ang ganda nung sink na ito. So, there's a dates too. And there, ang ganda ng ambience niya. Diba? Full of nature. At ito ay well, pwede mong tambayan sa labas. And pwede kang tumambay dito. Your visitors can sit and eat there like that. Magkwentuhan, ganyan. What a sunny day. Today is winter time pero maaraw at maganda ang panahon ngayon. O diba may mga halaman dyan. And there you go. Ayan, may swimming pool dyan. So there. Yan ang swimming pool. Malaki. There you go. Diba ang ganda? And pwede kayo mag-barbecue dito. This area is for barbecue. There you go. May mga seats down here. And there's a nice shower area po dito. Of course, you need to shower before you go to the swimming pool. Diba? So, pasok po tayo sa loob. We're going to check what's inside. So, they have a big room over here. At ito rin yung isang room na malaki. At may isa pang room doon. And here is the kitchen. Yan ang kitchen. Pwede kayo magluto. Ano yan? Diba? Complete. May ref na din yan. May, of course, lutuan. May freezer sa may mga kailangan ng freezer.
Balance.
There. Tapos may table dito.
Balancing.
So, of course, maganda siyang dining area. So, that's it. This is a good and a very nice event place. Ito sa lamin dito. Hi! So, ito yung bathroom. And we have a mirror over here. O, diba? Pwede kang mag-hand wash and everything. I think may mga tao sa loob. Tingnan natin ang isa. Knock na. Ay, sorry, be. Yeah, ganyan po siya. Pwede mo mag-karaoke dyan. And there's a television. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.